Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is a quick get ready with me where I attempt to use these two foundations that I got from Dollar Tree to achieve a full face look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So on this day, I was getting ready to go to a baby shower, and I knew afterwards I was probably going to go get drinks. So I wanted to make sure that my foundation stayed the whole day. So I'm pretty much putting on Milk of Magnesia just to take away any excess oils from my face and to make sure I have a matte foundation. As I mentioned, I found these two foundations in Dollar Tree. They normally don't have foundations for dark-skinned girls, so when I saw them, I figured even if I did pick them up, what am I wasting? $2? So let's see what I come up with. To apply the foundation, I'm just going to use this buffing brush from e.l.f. And I'm also spraying it with Final Seal by Ben Nye, which if you have not tried, please try. It will keep your makeup in place. So I was trying to be patient with the foundation. It did provide a little bit of coverage, but the more I blended it out, you could tell that I still see my dark marks underneath. And in reality, it created like a sheer cast look that I wasn't too satisfied with. So at this point, I'm now going through and like reading the back of the packaging to see if I miss any like random instructions on how to apply this foundation, because it's just not working. Nonetheless, I did want to make sure that I finish applying it all over my face, not really with a thick layer, but just enough to where there was an even layer of product on my entire face. So after buffing it in for a while, I just wasn't so, I tried to take a selfie to see how it showed up on camera. And in reality, I was just expecting a bit more coverage from an actual foundation. And perhaps it was just a little too sheer for me, but this wasn't gonna cut it. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I didn't want to take off this makeup and start over again. I also didn't want to put on another foundation because once those two dried down, it could have looked real cakey. And nobody wants that. So I figured if I use a concealer, it would do what a concealer is supposed to do, which is conceal those dark spots. I'm also being very generous with the product because I figured the foundation didn't really do anything, not for me. So it didn't hurt to put a lot of this concealer on, basically. Now I'm just going to continue with the rest of my normal makeup routine. And right now I'm just highlighting with my LA Girl concealer as I normally would. But I do have a detailed highlighting and contouring video coming up. So stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see it. Basically, that completes my look. So later on that day, I was able to grab some pictures at the baby shower, and I liked the way I was able to kind of turn that foundation into like a wearable look. So it's okay to pick up what you see in Dollar Tree. Just know you might have to tweak stuff a little bit to get it to work. So if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.